Welcome back. It's your boy Wheel Ninja Sizzle, and we are back with another e-bike modification to the RidStar Q20.
He likeable. No goofies in my squad.
We back. I got a broke finger. I think I broke something. It's a lot of swelling going on. We ain't gonna talk about the finger too much. It's got me a little bit in my feelings, all right? Happened at the skate park. I was doing too much. I was actually attempting this move right here. So that was the day before I actually hurt my finger. When I went back the next day on a new setup, the new setup, we ain't gonna talk about the setup, but I went back on a new setup, tried the same jump over that ramp, didn't come down the right way, caught my finger on the ramp, hyperextended it, messed it up. So we're not gonna be on the skates for about a week or two. I'm about to get back on the e-bike a little bit. We about to mod it out just a little bit. I wanna take these pedals off. This thing right here because they get in my way whenever I turn. Whenever I lean hard into a turn, they get right into the way, like it bumps the ground. Like, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So basically, if this pedal is down and I lean hard to the right, you already know it's gonna hit the floor at some point, which is about there. And that's a pretty hard lean. We gotta get rid of those. I gotta take those off ASAP. I'm gonna end up putting pegs in here somewhere just to complement my rear pegs I got back there where I usually rest my feet. We're gonna do something about that. So to start this whole process, I gotta remove some stuff. If I'm gonna be removing my pedals, I'm gonna also be removing the chain. Because why have a chain if you got no pedals? And if I remove my chain, I'm also gonna get rid of this here gear adjuster thingamajig. I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay. And then this whole wire that's running from the shifter up here. Let me give you guys a better close-up of some of this. Remove the gear shifter first. Unwind its cord from the inside of this little bundle here. You see this cord comes down. It's wrapped inside of this little stack. This bundle coming here. Then it pops back out to the side. It's moving down the front of the bike. Then it's coming under through here. Then it's popping back up and out. Here it is here. Going straight back here to the gear shifter side down there. We're gonna be removing this little piece, taking that off as well. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of that. I don't think we need that anymore. Get rid of that. We're gonna be taking this chain off of here. And that's gonna be kind of hard to do with a busted finger. Because anytime I gotta mess around with this back wheel, plus the pegs, I gotta undo the whole back wheel. So both the lug nuts on this side, that side, take off the pegs just to drop the back tire out. And then once the back tire gets dropped out, I can try to pull this chain out of here. But we might figure something else out for that chain. I might not go the long route. I'm gonna figure out a shortcut for that. Boom. Also, we're gonna be taking the pedals out, taking this little plastic cover off right here. And that should complete it until the next time you guys see me add the pegs to it. But that'll be for the next video. So let's get started with this here. What do you call this thing? The gear shifter. Okay, now for this portion, I'm gonna grab my trusty Phillips. A little trusty Phillips screwdriver, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna come down here. I know it has a screw somewhere off up under here. Crazy work. There she go. We're gonna get that off first. Just a little bit more information on the bike. It's been riding fine. Everything's been going great with it, considering the fact that I left it out all winter. I left it out. I'm gonna tell you guys why I left it out. I left it out for a crazy reason. First of all, my 72-volt battery that's currently on the bike, it got recalled or something. Like, they told me to basically dispose of the battery, and they also refunded me my money. So I'm basically sitting on like a free battery. I'm like, okay, I'm not mad at that. You know what I'm saying? That's gravy. That's Gucci. How is this gonna get off of here? I don't know, because it seems like it has to come off the whole handlebar, which will be crazy. Boop it. Boom, throttle off. This little piece just holds the throttle to the handlebar. Keep that in there like that. And then we got this garbage. Get them out of there. And yeah, it was made to where it had to slide off like that. Real silly. Real silly, like. Now I gotta cut all of these zip tie joints loose. I got me a knife ready for all this too. Ugh. And now I can pull this puppy through like that. And then I got another something rigged up over here just for that little piece right there. Swap her out. Swap her. Ugh, feel right up off of there. Get out of here. I don't know how to get the chain off of this, but you can see the chain's ready to fall off of that. She ready to go. She's ready to go, people. It's angle grinder time. We finna cut this chain off of here, folks. I ain't finna play with it. And that's what I call the quick way to get a chain off of a bike. You feel me? We got that chain off of that, baby. Let me pull it up. Be careful if y'all do this. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be a lot hot still at that point where you had to chop it at. We're gonna let that chain rest in peace up here as a reminder to myself that this bike used to be a bicycle. Now it's more of an electric moped. You feel me? Yes, sir. So that's gone, that's gone. We could pop these straps off of here. Not gonna be needing those no more. No more goggles. Okay, now we got free spinning pedals. Let's do something about that. I got another little setup here for the Milwaukee. Hold on. Big impact. Come up out of there, quick and easy, just like that. Quick and easy. That don't want to just come off. So let's go to the other side. See what it's hitting for. You did. Look up. Quick and easy. It's easy. I still can't just pull it off of there though. I'm doing a lot with a busted finger, boy. Got one side off. Okay. I think that's why God made hammer. Right or wrong? That's why the good Lord made a hammer. Why I'm over here abusing my drill? What the hell is wrong with me? My granddaddy had one of these. No cap. My granddaddy. Look at that. That's why God made a hammer. Now look, this is my pedal sensor. So when I pedal the bike, it recognizes that I'm pedaling and it actually gives me electric, like a throttle. It works like a throttle almost. We pulling that out of there too, because we ain't got no paddles. That was the other cord I told y'all I was getting rid of. We left with this thingy just stuck in here. How does that come out? I wonder. How does that come out? Or can I just knock it out? That's why the good Lord made a hammer. I don't even know if it's knockable. I don't know if it's moving. I don't think it's moving. I think I need to unscrew that with something. I need something to bite into this and turn it. I don't know. That's gonna be for the next episode right there, folks. I've come as far as I need. That's as far as I need to be for now. I'll let that just stick out. I'm gonna do some research on how to get that little piece up out of there. And then even put my own pegs up inside of there. We're gonna be trying to figure that out. But now I'm gonna I'm gonna finish getting this pedal assist wire out, which is already done basically. It's basically done. You gotta just unwrap it a little bit more on this out. Get this wire out the rest of the way. Put the handlebars back together. And we be done. Pedals out the way, chain free. Chain free, baby. I don't know if I want the throttle to be more to the right side. Boom, throttle locked in. Boom, bam, phone holder solid, handlebars solid. Now we fix the wire management on the front end. I just hit the finger the wrong way, people. Oh my. Bottom zip is tight. Let me cut the excess. Okay. And since we no longer have a cord on this side, that's it. That's it. That's how the new bike finna look. No pedals for a while. Yes, sir. Let me show y'all what that baby looking like. No pedals. No pedal lifestyle that we living around here, man. Y'all see what's going on. Yes, sir. I did the digital dash. Yes, sir. That's how we living. That's how we looking. Y'all see what's going on. You already see what's going on with it. Don't act like you don't know. Don't act like you don't know about it. Yes, sir. Okay, folks. It's a wrap. We outie. That's all we got for this video, man. The e-bike ain't got no pedals. The e-bike ain't got no pedals. I can't wait to hop on that bit tomorrow. We gonna see what it do. See what it do. Like, if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like. Don't forget, please, if you want to see more of this type of content from your boy, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. I'm gonna see y'all next time. As always, holla back at your boy Will Ninja. Sizzle.